Originally a fall event, no one would have thought the Bassmaster Classic would be where it is today. First place has grown from $10,000 to $500,000. And for the first winner of the Bassmaster Classic, Bobby Murray is more surprised than anyone else.
People often ask me, did you know what it was going to be like? I mean, the first Bassmaster Classic was held on the roof of a floating boat dock. It wasn't very big. It was just the outdoor riders and the anglers. There was no drive-through weigh-in or nothing like that. We had flown into the middle of the desert. You can't say pro angler because there was no pro anglers back then. This is just a bunch of fishermen that there was fishing hot spots all across the country. Central Arkansas, Hot Springs area where the lakes that are here, it was a hot spot. Nashville, Tennessee was a hot spot. Atlanta, Georgia was a hot spot. Tulsa, Oklahoma was a hot spot. Springfield, Missouri was a hot spot because that was the areas that had the water close by that allowed a lot of fishing. We'd never seen a lake like Lake Mead out in the middle of the desert before, Colorado River, and it was the only Bassmaster Classic that none of the anglers had ever fished before. It was truly a new body of water to everybody. We only had one practice day back then, because the boats were coming in every day and we had to practice with a competitor instead of even by ourselves. I saw a little area that had some shallow water cover in it. So the next morning I literally just started running and gunning shallow water, throwing a spinnerbait, and caught one and caught another one, and just started running to the back ends of the canyons. I couldn't catch them out on the main lake. I'd have to get in a little canyon where there'd be tumbleweeds or some little brush or just some kind of little cover up there. Make 10 casts and drive 8 miles to the next canyon. Make 10 casts and drive 8 miles. I drove a lot, but caught some quality fish, some really good fish. Early on in my career, it was a classic win. And as the longer you go from the original event, it gets to be a little more important. It's kind of set the foundation for my career when I won the first Bassmasters Classic. It set the precedent for the professional fishing to take another step forward, and has done pretty good over the years.